And now, take a look at what's coming to YouTube February 2025.
We are part of each other.
My name's Cobra. I'm Kiara.
Don't worry, Kiara! Pumbaa's coming! The good news is, we found your daughter. The bad news is, we dropped a warthog on her.
One day I won't be here. And I need you to carry on in my place.
These lands belong to Scar.
Get out.
What is your destiny?
I will avenge Scar.
Scar! Oh, heck of a guy. A little moody, but...
You were banished with the other outsiders. We are one.
Roar! Work with me!
The Lion King 2, Simba's Pride. The Circle of Life continues in an all-new sequel.
Only on YouTube next year, February 9th. And now, coming this January to YouTube.
Look out for Mr. Stork, he's got you on his list. And when he comes around, it's useless to resist. Remember those twin tuplets and the woman in the shoe. Maybe he's got his eye on you.
Dumbo, the little elephant who was all ears. But gossips discover the scandalous truth about the new arrival.
Have I got a trunk full of dirt?
His mother goes wild.
Down! Dumbo down!
Socially, he was washed up.
His only 3 friends, a snake and 2 dragons.
You know, lots of people with big ears are famous. Oh boy, all we gotta do is build an act. Make you a star. A headliner. Dumbo the Great.
Walt Disney's Dumbo brings you a trainload of exciting new characters. Wild animals, ferocious beasts, ponderous pachyderms, jungle giants. Casey Jr., the train with a personality. And believe it or not, the most delightful Disney sequence you've ever seen, the Parade of the Pink Elephants. See Dumbo's magnificent fall to fame, the most sensational climax ever filmed.
Whee!